Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your password on your NBC account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and simply make sure that you've downloaded NBC by searching for it and installing it on your device. Now, simply go ahead and tap on Open, and you're going to be on this page right over here. So from here, what you want to do is simply tap on the top right hand side of your screen where there is this small little person icon, and simply go ahead and tap on sign in. Finally, on this page on the bottom, if you look closely, there's going to be a forgot password, reset password button. Simply go ahead and tap on the reset password button, and it's going to take you out to this Windows right over here. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your email that you've used to log in into NBC. And finally, it's going to send a verification code to that email where you can simply go ahead and reset your password. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.